Alright, welcome back to Awesome Websites. Today we're going to set up a guest network for your Wi-Fi. And what I mean by that is if you are a business owner and you're going to set up like a Wi-Fi hotspot inside your business, you're going to want to have a guest network and you're going to want to set it up properly. Today I'm going to show you how to set that up properly. We're going to set up the guest network and then have that network be entirely separate from your primary local network. Okay, so we're going to be setting that up in the router. Today we're going to be using an EdgeRouter Pro, and then we're going to show you how to set that up in the UniFi controller using a UniFi AP Pro as well. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and head over to the router, get to your dashboard, and then find the Add Interface button. Go ahead and click that, Add VLan. We're going to name this VLan ID 10. It's important to remember that that is 10. Our local network is on bridge 0, which is BR0. Description is guest Wi-Fi network. It can be whatever you want it to be. And for address, you want to manually define 192.168.10.1/24 because there's going to be a /24 subnet. Let's go ahead and save that. Now the VLAN is created and we're halfway done. Now we just need to set up a DHCP server inside of that network, so when somebody joins that network they are issued an IP address. So go ahead and head over to services, add DHCP server. DHCP name is guest Wi-Fi network. For subnet, oh, no spaces, we'll add dashes. Subnet is 192.168.10.0, correct? /24. Range chart is 192.168.10.5. Stop at 192.168.10.255. Router is 192.168.10.1. And for DNS we'll use Google. And we can use the blank, we can leave this blank for now. Save that. Now the network for the guest Wi-Fi is set up. So we are finished with the router. Now we're going to head over to the controller. Then head over to, so once you're in the controller, hit the settings button, wireless networks, and then find your default wireless network that you're going to be using. This is our default. So Freelink Command is going to be our primary, so all of my personal devices, and if this is at your business, like all your cashiers or local computers are going to be on your primary network, and your guest network is going to be named, can be whatever, hotspot Wi-Fi, you know, whatever, but create that by hitting Create Wireless Network, Guest Wi-Fi Network, enable it, keep it open, apply guest policies, go to Advanced Options, hit VLAN 10, just like we did in the router. Go ahead and save that. We can keep that just like that, so you can see we are in VLAN 10. So as far as we are concerned, because you selected the guest policies, that automatic in the UniFi controller, that automatically sets it up for guest isolation and that kind of stuff. So one network device like a computer can't interact with another network device like another computer, and that keeps it a little more secure. So applying guest policies is a good thing. So then you can go over to the guest control. Oh, our access point is going to be provisioning right now since we changed it. This was happening, so it kicked us off of the Wi-Fi. Gotta remember that. So it's probably going to come back up now. There we go. Since we changed the settings, it made the access point go into provisioning mode, which kicked us off. So now that we're back on, hit settings, go to guest control, go ahead and edit your captive portal right here, and I'll show you how to do that up really fancy in another tutorial. As you can see, we have a cryptocurrency miner running on our captive portal, and I can show you how to do that in another tutorial. But go ahead and customize it to the best of your ability. I'll connect a device right now, and if we popped up, then you'll know we did it correctly. And there I am, guest Wi-Fi network. Let's see if we get an IP address. I know I'm going to have an IP address. There you go. I knew that would work because I got to the captive portal on my phone, but as you can see, 192.168.10.6. And if you got the .10 subnet, then you'll know you have it all set up correctly in the router and the controller. And that's how you set up a guest Wi-Fi network correctly in a different subnet with isolation. Congrats.